So it's our first full day in Finland and it's finally breakfast time. We actually woke up at like 2:30 in the morning because we were jet lagged. And then the sun slowly started coming up at like 4:30 in the morning. So we've been waiting for this a long time.
Someone's hungry.
Yes. So that was a really filling breakfast. I think we're both just stuffed. So we're gonna go on a very small walk around the jail hotel and show you the sights.
They have a really cool little garden where it appears they're growing their own vegetables.
Beautiful day to be outdoors today, and we are all geared up to go on a bike ride. We are going to be taking a tour of Helsinki.
Going so far.
Oh, I'm getting a workout here. Really silly with your ball cap and a helmet on top.
Come on, I'm starting a new fashion trend over here. This is what's considered cool these days.
Oh really?
No, definitely not. But what is cool is that just getting outside of Helsinki a few kilometers and you're out right in the woods. This is amazing.
Let's do a 360. So we just finished our 4-hour-long bike ride around Helsinki, and next up we are going kayaking. Right now it's 9 p.m. Still bright out, and I think we're supposed to be back at midnight, so let's go. Normally, I like to do a single kayak because I don't really trust Sam on the water, but I've been taught into this double kayak for newlywed couples.
Teamwork! Teamwork.
Except I'm the only one paddling because you're sitting back there filming.
Yep, that's about right.
Oh, the berries! A few beers in the back of the double kayak.
Yeah, I'll just have the beers, sit back, and let her do all the work. Right, Audrey?
Oh, hush. Paddle! Paddle faster! Okay. No! Don't make it wobble!
I'm gonna tip it over! Wobble, 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 wobble!
Sam, that is not... Okay, stop it!
It is 11:30 now, and we are paddling back home in the dark with nothing but the moon and our lights to guide us.